English vocabulary tests. If you score 8 or 10, trust me, you're a vocabulary master. You will feel like a genius if you reach the end. Question: what is the synonym of scrutinize? Answer B, examine. Question 2. What is the synonym of inevitable? Answer B, certain. Question 3. What is the synonym of meticulous? Answer B, precisa. Question 4. What is the synonym of ambiguous? Answer B, vague. Question 5. What is the synonym of conquer? Answer C, agree. Question 6. What is the synonym of complacent? Answer A, satisfied.